see what we have here. This is a Ford Galaxie 500. Obviously been sitting here for a good while. I don't know anything about this kind of car beyond the name of it. I don't know what year it could be. And then we have, another Galaxie 500. This one looks like it could be older than that one. But again, I don't really know. You know, I would love to go in there, but being by myself and I'm sure I'm not supposed to be here. And then this is also a Ford Galaxie. I'll have to do a little research and see if I can tell what year these cars are. That is sweet. And we have a camper and a Ford truck. That had some sort of a paint job on the side. It's a 6, I think. The rest of it I can't tell. Let's see if I can see it from the other side. I don't see any sign of paint on this side. Also, I have on flip-flops and it just doesn't seem real safe for me to get too involved with these old cars. Look at that, it's buried. Here's another, I didn't even see this. Again, Galaxie 500. Wow. Nature is taking that back over, that's for sure. Let's see when this tag. That tag is from the year 2000. So it's possible that this car's been sitting right here for 24 years. That would have been a great climbing tree. I always did like to climb trees when I was a kid. Ooh, I would really love to go in there. That one doesn't look as dilapidated as the other one. I think this was a garage. Okay, there's a toilet and a stove. Look at the old stove. Interesting. Okay, that's it for now. Thanks for coming along.